going on, everyone? Today I'm gonna be changing my oil filter and putting these wheels. I'm gonna be putting the S4 wheels for the winter, and yeah, hopefully everything goes by smoothly. So what I'm gonna do first is remove the drain plug for the oil, and I'm pretty sure that's 17 millimeter, 19 I meant. And I'm gonna use an adapter for it. Yep. This oil pan down here. First thing you want to do is get this oil cap off so we can get some flow in. And then you want to bust open. Then you want to bust open the plug. I might take some straw. There we go.
Diaper, and then when it gets like too wet and it like releases it.
For the filter, I like to move this out of the way. There's 3 screws right here, but mine doesn't have it. Get this little hose out, and it should be this harness in the back or under it. Pop that out and swivel it out the way, and there's your filter right there. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. It's really big, you can't miss it. And yeah, you just unscrew it from here on. It should be hand tied. If not, there's a notch at the end of it. You can put something like a wrench or a screwdriver under it and turn it with it. And we'll see this is done. If this is already done, then we can go ahead and plug it up. Doesn't need to be tight. It's gonna make a vacuum seal, so it doesn't have to be extra tight. Just make sure it's snug. I'll clean that up later. Now we can move on to the filter. As you can see, it's probably gonna flow down the transmission. I don't really have any rags for it, so fuck it, we're just gonna send it. As you can see, it loosens it up, and then you can turn it by hand. Should probably get the replacement filter ready to be plugged in. Get it done with that. Lubricate the seals. It's off. Awesome. So all the fluid is still in there. Now we can put this on. New filter. So supposed to be hand tight, because it's gonna create a vacuum seal. But if it leaks even more, we can tighten it up with a wrench or a screwdriver. So let's tighten it up by hand and see how much more turn we can get. Oh. Get that in. All right. One. Oh. Wow. That's dope. That's genius as fuck. Let's clean it up before we check for leaks. Obviously. Go ahead and pop this thing in. Oh fuck. Plug that thing in. Plug this thing in. And you get your pliers. Let's check the dipstick real quick. Oh yeah, I on the dipstick. Oh, we're full as fuck. That's good. It's good. No leaks. Moment of truth. Start this. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Oh, tiny bitch. Damn, break this. It doesn't fit. I have to mount it up. So make sure you raise the car a little bit. You know, I don't like to do it. Everything goes in like it's supposed to. Crisscross fashion. Alright, we'll torque everything down later. Yeah, that's pretty much how you take off the wheels and put them on, you know.